This video shows how to install the latest version of node.js. So you use node.js to update node.js to the either to the recommended for most users the stable version or the current version, and this might, if you use the current version with latest features, this might sometimes cause an error. So when you're developing and so on. So first, what you have to do in an update, you first deinstall it. So let's see here, I've how to deinstall. You go to Windows, say Node, you go to Features, and then under Features you're deinstalling the current version. That's what we've seen in the previous video, and now we go to node.js.org/English, and either we'll load the current version, which is always latest stuff. You see version 14 going to 15. So what I would try to do is let's say we jump back. Okay, we take the recommended version. Now we are starting it. So this is under Windows 10. The MSI file, so installing. Welcome to Node.js Setup Wizard. I accept everything. Absolutely happy with Node.js and the path. Sometimes you do hear some manipulations in there, but that's not necessary. Take all in default, automatically install necessary tools. Some npm modules need to be compiled from C, C++ when installing. If you want to be able to install such modules, Python and Visual Studio build tools need to be installed. Yeah, okay. No, I don't need it. Successfully installed. Now what I do is, now on this point is I check if it's if this is okay. So I go here to my demo folder, and in here I make a small folder which is called Angular. In there I say okay, I go here to my with code, open it with code. Yes, I always trust everything. And now I go to terminal, new terminal, and then I would say, let's say ng new client app, or we say npm version. That's the best. So what we did, we installed 6.14. That's what we have seen. And what we do now, we start ng new client app. No strict with routing CSS, and this should run now. I hope so. And that's why we solved the previous problem. And I think that's okay now for most people.